Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about federal system in India. Let's begin with the question. Our today's question is: in the Indian federal system, the state government should give the powers to collect more tax. We have to comment on it. Our personal comment should add in that question. You can start with the definition of Indian federal system, then how it will beneficial for state government to collect more taxes, then what are the issues between state and center, then what are the measures we need to take in, finally conclusion. So let's start with the significance. It can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of federalism, state legislature, separation of powers, center state relations, and Indian constitution would be: federalism is a system in which power is distributed among state and center. The system gives power to center and state as well for efficient functioning and good governance, so that government can serve the large of India efficiently. Issues between both the center and state governments. Center is maximum power holder. Center has the power to collect the tax and distribute according to the population, poverty and need of the state. Then distribution of tax is very unequal among states. Then southern states collect most of the tax, but in the northern states receive maximum share of tax. Like Uttar Pradesh contribute only 3% on tax but receive 17% of total share. Then state with high population are more powerful than the state who control their population, like Kerala control population but receive little amount of tax. Then thus allocation of the tax create differences between the state and center and affect their work efficiency. Then state can't work independently due to issues of finance, like during emergencies, compensation related matters. Then what are the benefits if that power gives to the state government? Then low chances of rights dispute between state and center. Then center and state can collectively work on center sponsored schemes. Then it will save time which can be utilized for implementing policies for welfare of citizens. Functioning of state will improve and they will become more independent, efficient and accountable. Then our way forward would be: need to take some reforms to protect interest of states with the less population. State and center relations should be improved. For poor states, a period of transition is required. Number of seats in each state will be revised in 2026, perhaps based on the population and other factors. Center need to give more priority to the external issues. Then tax distribution should be on the basis of population and poverty levels. Then parameter of fund and revenue should be revised. Politics should be removed from the matter of revenue distribution between state and center. Political will needed to follow federal system of India. Need to establish interstate council under the article 263. Recommendations of 15th Finance Commission need to implement properly. Then what is the conclusion? Our conclusion would be: to conclude, we can say unlike USA, India follows a federal system of government. To maintain federalism, a truthful vision is much needed. If center provide power to the states to collect tax, it will help us to faster delivery of welfare scheme and increase revenue of the state, which was further help in development. By this, we can achieve various sustainable development goals and improve our rank in World Happiness Index, which is 139 out of 149, which is, you can see, very, very low. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.